Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube video. So in this video, we are going to see how to find, in this video, we will be seeing this price discrimination. Okay, so there is only one problem in price discrimination that we are going to see. So before that, so one thing that you have to know is price discrimination will come in monopoly market. Okay, so this is the only basic thing that you have to do. And we all know that in monopoly market, we have to equate MC and MR. Okay, so if you don't know how to equate this MC and MR, so kindly watch a video on the title, how to find profit maximizing price and output in perfect combination and monopoly. So in that video, I have explained how to calculate those for perfect competition and monopoly. Okay, so now coming to this question, see, in monopoly condition, so there is a situation called a price discrimination. Okay, that means for a same product, for example, for this pen in Hyderabad and in Chennai. Okay, so the product is same, but there will be different price in Hyderabad and there will be different price in Chennai. Okay, so this kind of situation will occur in a monopoly market only. Okay, so for this kind of question, how to solve that? So that we will be seeing in this question, and it will be a bit lengthy, and so kindly follow it. So the question will be easy only, but the calculation steps will be very lengthy. Okay, so that's all. So now we will see the question. Okay, so I'll write just a few things. So monopoly, because in monopoly market only price discrimination will happen. Okay, so in monopoly, we all know that we have to equate two things, that is MC is equal to MR. Okay, so how to find MR, everything will be everything have explained in that in the previous video itself. Okay, so now coming to this question, so we are having two equations. Okay, so first I read out the question and I will explain what is asked in this question. Okay, Zydex, a pharmaceutical firm in India, estimates the demand for two of its market, A and B, for pricing and output decision with the price discrimination. Okay, so what they are telling is a pharmaceutical company is there. It is selling in two markets, that is A and B. Okay, in those two markets, there is a price discrimination. What that meaning is, so for example, if they are selling paracetamol, in market A, they will sell the tablet for 1 rupees. In market B, they will sell the same tablet for 5 rupees. Okay, so this is called price discrimination. Okay, now what they have given for both the markets, they have given the equation. So for market A, okay, so for market A, the equation is QA is equal to 1600 minus 80 PA, and for market B, okay, for market B, it is QB is equal to 2400 minus 100 PB. Okay, P is price and Q is quantity. Now what they have given another one thing is MC. MC is equal to 4.5 plus 0.005 Q. Okay, now there is one thing. In this company, they are dealing with two different markets. Okay, so whatever may be the number of markets they will be dealing with, but the marginal cost will be same. Okay, marginal cost will not be different for market A and it will not be different for market B. Okay, marginal cost will be same only. Here in marginal cost, we are having this Q, right? So how I am going to write this is MC is equal to 4.5 plus 0.005 QA plus QB. Okay, so this will be the equation, okay, that we will be using. Okay, for okay, what I am telling is, if they are dealing with the 2 markets or 3 markets or 4 markets, whatever may be the number of markets, the marginal cost equation will be same only. Okay, so it will not be different for different markets, but the quantity mentioned in the marginal cost will be the sum of all the quantities. Okay, so you have to know only these things. Okay, so now for convenience, what I am going to do, like here you can see, right, for market A, the equation is QA is equal to 1600 minus 80 PA. So for convenience, I am going to change the A as 1 and this market B, that subscription is there, right? So in the subscription, I am going to put A 1 for A and 2 for B. Like if I am not getting the, now I write, you will understand. Okay. So what I am telling, I am just going to write market A equation as, so market A, I am going to write Q1 is equal to 1600 minus 80 P1. Okay, that this is what I am trying to explain. For market B, I am going to write Q2 is equal to 2400 minus 100. Yes, Q2 is equal to 2400 minus 100 P2. Okay, simple. Now we have to, now what is the step? So I told we have to equal MC is equal to MR. Okay, but we will get two MRs, right? So we have to find the for market A and for market B. Okay, so for market A, it will be MC is equal to MR1. For market B, MC is equal to MR2, because revenue will be different for different market. Okay, so cost MC is nothing but a change in the total cost. Okay, cost will be, the production cost is same, but the revenue they are getting is different, because in market A they are selling the tablet for 1 rupees, in market B they are selling the tablet for 5 rupees. So the revenue obtained in both the markets will be different. Okay, so we all know the formula for MR is first okay, marginal revenue is equal to what? Differentiation of total revenue with respect to quantity. Now, what is total revenue? Price into quantity. Now, I am going to just put 1. Okay, so MR1 is equal to differentiation of total revenue 1 by Q1. So, TR1 is equal to Q1 into P1. Okay, now, again, another one thing I am going to find. Okay, so I already told this question will be a bit lengthy, but it will be easy only. Okay. So here also I will do for the same, do till the same step. So MR2 is equal to what? Differentiation of TR2 divided by Q2. So TR2 is equal to P2 into Q2. Now we have this equation, right? Q1 is equal to 1600 minus 80 P1. So I am going to write the equation in terms of P. Okay. So it will come to the left hand side. So 80 P1 is equal to 1600 minus Q1. So don't ask me why I am doing this. If you follow this, it will be easy. If you go with the Q, like if you go the equation in terms of Q, it will be difficult to solve. Okay, that's why I am interchanging it. So now P1 is equal to 1600 minus Q1 divided by 80. So P1 is equal to 20 minus 0.0125 Q1. Okay, so I am dividing this 80 separately. Okay, 1600 by 80 minus Q1 by 80. Okay, so now I got the equation for P1, right? So the same I want to find the equation for P2. Okay, so what is the equation first? Q2 is equal to 2400 minus 100 P2. So 100 P2 is equal to 2400 minus Q2. P2 is equal to 2400 minus Q2 divided by 100. So P2 is equal to 24 minus 0.01 Q2. Okay. Now I got P1 and P2. Okay. So what I want to do? Then I want to find the TR1, right? So I'll just write the equation here. So P1 is equal to 20 minus 0.0125 Q1. P2 is equal to 24 minus 0.01 Q2. Okay, so now I want to find the total revenue. TR1 is equal to P1 into Q1. That means 20 minus 0.0125 Q1 multiplied with Q1. So TR1 will be 20 Q1 minus 0.0125 Q1 square. Okay. So here I want to find the total revenue 2. So TR2 is equal to P2 into Q2. So what is the equation for P2? 24 minus 0.01 Q2 multiplied with Q2. So TR2 is equal to 24 Q2 minus 0.01 Q2 square. Okay. So we got the total revenue. Okay. So with the total revenue, we can find the marginal revenue, right? So MR1 is equal to differentiation of total revenue 1 with respect to quantity 1. So MR1 is equal to 20 minus it will be 0.125, right? So 0.025 Q1. Okay. So this will be the value for MR1. Now the same we have to calculate for the second market also. So MR2 is equal to differentiation of TR2 divided by Q2. So it will be 24 minus 0.02 Q2. Okay. Yes. So this is the value for MR2. So we have MR1 and we have MR2. Okay. So what will be the next step? So the next step will be equating MC and MR. Okay. So MR1 is equal to 20 minus 0.025 Q1. MR2 is equal to 24 minus 0.2 Q2. So we know the MC equation, right? So MC is equal to just a minute, guys. So MC is equal to 4.5 plus 0.005 into Q1 plus Q2. Okay. So this is what we have to equate here. So this is for market A. This is for market B. Okay. So for market A, MR1 is equal to MC. So that is 20 minus 0.025 Q1 is equal to 4.5 plus 0.005 into Q1 plus Q2. So multiply this 0.005 for Q1 and Q2. So 20 minus 0.025 Q1 is equal to 4.5 plus 0.005 Q1 plus 0.005 Q2. Okay, so now bring the variables to one side. So 20 minus 4.5 will be equal to 0.03 Q1. 0.03 Q1 plus 0.005 Q2. Okay, so 20 minus 4.5, it will be 15.5. 15.5 is equal to 0.03 Q1 plus 0.005 Q2. Okay, so for convenience, I am just interchanging this. 0.03 Q1 plus 0.005 Q2 is equal to 15.5. Okay, so here it is having 3 decimal points. So I am multiplying this equation with 1000. So if I multiply the whole equation with 1000, what I will get? 30 Q1 plus 5 Q2 is equal to 15500. Okay, so now I am going to divide this with 5. So it will be 6 Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 3100. This will be our equation 1. Now we have to do the same for market 2. So MR2 is equal to MC. So what is MR2? 24 minus 0.2 Q2 is equal to 4.5 plus 0.005 into Q1 plus Q2. So 24 minus 0.2 Q2 is equal to 4.5 plus 0.005 Q1 plus 0.005 Q2. So same, we have to bring the numbers to one side. So 24 minus 4.5 will be equal to 0.005 Q1 plus just a minute, there is a small error here. It is 0.02, so I am writing that is MR2. Okay, so I have written MR2, it is 0.02. Okay, it's not 0.2, it is 0.02. Okay, so it will be 0.025 Q2. So 0.005 Q1 plus 0.025 Q2, that will be equal to 24 minus 4.5, 19.5. This. Okay. So same, I am going to multiply the equation with 1000. Okay, I am multiplying this because to get rid of the decimal values. So it will be 5 Q1 plus 25 Q2 is equal to 19500. So divide by 5. So it will be Q1 plus 5 Q2 is equal to 3900. Right? Yes. So this will be our equation 2. So this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. If I solve the two equation, I will get the quantity. Okay. So what is equation 1? 6Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 3100. This is equation 1. Q1 plus 5Q2 is equal to 3900. That is equation 2. Okay. So I am going to multiply the equation 2 with 6. So what I will get? Equation 1 will remain the same. So 6Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 3100. So it second equation will become 6Q1, 6 5 are 30 plus 30 Q2 is equal to 39 into 6. 23400. Okay, so now subtract it. So this will get cancelled. So here I will get 29 Q2 is equal to 20300. So if we solve, Q2 will be equal to 700. Okay, now substitute Q2 in any equation. 6Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 3100. 6Q1 plus 700 is equal to 3100. 6Q1 is equal to 2400. So Q1 is equal to 400. Okay. So now we got the quantity that is sold in market A and market B. So with this we can find the price. Okay. So we already know the price equation, right? So P1 is equal to 20 minus 0.0125 Q1 and P2 is equal to P2 P2 is equal to 24 minus 0.01 Q2. Okay. So Q1 is equal to 400. Q2 is equal to 700. So P1 is equal to 20 minus 0.0125, right? Yes. 0.0125 into 400 is equal to 20 minus, so 0.0125 into 400. So that will be 5. So P1 is equal to 15. Now P2. So P2 is equal to 24 minus 0.01 into 700. That is 24 minus. So it will be 7. So P2 will be equal to 17. Okay. So we found P1 and Q1. Okay. Now we have to find the profits, right? So we all know the profit formula is total revenue minus total cost, and total cost is obtained by marginal cost into quantity. So we have to find the marginal cost. So what is MC? So MC equation is what? 4.5 plus 0.005 Q. That is 4.5 plus 0.005 into Q1 plus Q2. 4.5 plus 0.005 into Q1 plus Q2 is what? 4 is 7, 11. So 1100. 4.5 plus, so if you multiply, you will get 5.5. So MC is equal to 10. Okay. So with this, we can find the profits. Just a minute. So now we will calculate the profits. Okay. So this is for market A and this is for market B. Okay. So for market A, what is P1? P1 is equal to 15. Q1 is equal to 400. For market B, P2 is equal to 17. Q2 is equal to 700. And MC is equal to 10. Okay. Now, profit is equal to total cost minus, total revenue minus total cost. Okay. So total revenue means P1, Q1 minus total cost can be obtained by MC into Q1. So that is 15 into 400 minus 10 into 400. 15 into 400, it is 6,000 minus 4,000. So the profit of market A will be equal to 2,000. Now coming to profit of market B. Profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. So total revenue means P2 Q2 minus total cost is MC into Q2. 17 into 700 minus 10 into 700. Okay. 7 49. 11 9 119. 00 minus 7000. So profit of market B is equal to 4900. Okay. So that's all we are going to. So this is the last part. We are going to find the elasticity. Elasticity of market A and B. Okay. So elasticity formula is sorry, it's not elasticity formula. So MR is equal to AR into 1 minus 1 by E. Okay. So this is the formula by which we will calculate the elasticity. Okay. So here AR is equal to price. Okay. So MR we have to calculate again. Okay. So for market A. So what is MR1? So there is an equation for MR1, that is 20 minus 0.025 Q1. Okay. That is 20 minus 0.025 into Q1 is 400. It is 20 minus 10. So MR1 is equal to 10. Okay. Now for market B, MR2. So MR2 equation is 24 minus 0.02 Q2. 24 minus 0.02 into 700. So 24 minus 7 to 14. So MR2 will be equal to 10. Okay. So now we will calculate the elasticity for different markets. For market A. So MR1 is equal to AR1 into 1 minus 1 by E1. Okay. So MR1 is 10. AR1 is price in market A. That is 15 into 1 minus 1 by E1. So 10 by 15 is equal to 1 minus 1 by E1. So it is 2 by 3 is equal to 1 minus 1 by E1. So 1 by E1 will be equal to 1 by 3. So E1 is equal to 3. Next, for market B, MR2 is equal to AR2 into 1 minus 1 by E2. Okay. So MR2 is 10. So 10 is equal to AR2. AR2 is 24. Second is the price of 17. So it is 10, 17 into 1 minus 1 by E2. Okay. So 10 by 17 is equal to 1 minus 1 by E2. 1 by E2 is equal to 1 minus 10 by 17. So 1 by E2 is equal to 7 by 17. E2 is equal to 17 by 7. So E2 is equal to 2, 14, 14, 16, 17, 3, 3 by 7, 2.4 no. 17 by 7. 2.42. Okay. Just a minute. They are 2 in the 17. Okay. So it is 2.4. Okay. So elasticity of first market is 3 and the elasticity of second market is 2.4. So there is one condition like if E is high, then price is low. Then if E is low, price is high. Like you can compare in this market itself. See, for market, if you compare market A and market A is having high elasticity. So if market A is having high elasticity means, so the price in market A will be lesser. Okay, if you compare both the markets, see, for market A the elasticity is 3, but in compared to market B the price is low. Same for market B, the elasticity is less, but the price is more. Okay, so that's all this question. So in this question we have calculated the price and output and price, output, profit and elasticity, these four things for both the two markets. Okay, so just a quick revision. So this price discrimination will come in monopoly market. So for monopoly market we have to equate MC and MR. Okay, in this question they have given only one MC equation. So in the quantity I am taking as QA plus QB. Okay, then I am finding then we have to equate MC and MR. To find MR, I found the total revenue and then followed the question. Then at the end I will be left with two equations. Then I solved the equation to find the quantity. Then by substituting this quantity in the price equation, I got the price. Okay, with the price and the quantity, we can easily find the profit. Then for elasticity, you have to remember this formula. So MR is equal to AR into 1 minus 1 by E. Okay, so with this formula we can calculate the elasticity also. Okay, so that's all friends. Thank you.